Florida. They have some of the hottest and rainiest days year-round. These weather conditions can be rough on outdoor patios, boat docks, and piers. We headed out to Anna Maria Island to check out the application of Wisecoat Hardwood Deck Sealer, which creates a long-lasting, breathable barrier against tough UV rays and harsh weather. It's the perfect application for the Anna Maria City Pier. The pier has been closed since it was damaged by Hurricane Irma in 2017 and has since been completely rebuilt with Ipe wood decking. Wisecoat is water-based, non-toxic, and eco-friendly, which makes it safer for use around our oceans and waterways. Wisecoat provides protection from the inside out, preventing cracking and splitting of the wood. This unique formula absorbs deeply, inhibiting water intrusion by penetrating the hardwood surface, which helps to prevent mold, mildew, dry rot, and peeling. As a water-based tint, Wisecoat provides an even stain color and will enhance the natural wood grain without masking it. If you're looking for a sealer, hardwood decking, or both, check out AdvantageLumber.com. We ship to your home or job site worldwide.